Mindfulness in nature involves being fully present and engaged with the natural environment. It's about immersing oneself in the sights, sounds, smells, and sensations of nature without distraction. Nature has a remarkable ability to heal and rejuvenate. Studies show spending time in nature reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, fostering mental clarity and emotional well-being. Let's begin by grounding ourselves outdoors. Find or visualize a serene spot in nature, whether it's a forest, park, beach, or mountainside. Remove distractions and allow yourself to fully connect with the surroundings. Engage in a forest bathing experience. Walk slowly and mindfully through the forest, paying attention to the rustling leaves, chirping birds, and the earthy scents. Feel the energy of the forest rejuvenating your spirit. Practice mindful observation. Sit quietly and observe the details of nature around you. Notice the intricate patterns of leaves, the colors of flowers, and the movements of wildlife. Connect with the elements of nature. Feel the earth beneath your feet, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze, and the sound of flowing water. Embrace these natural elements with gratitude. Engage in a mindful walking meditation. Take slow, deliberate steps, syncing your breath with your movement. Stay present and observe each sensation as you move through the natural surroundings.